Praise the Lord. Hi, hello, and welcome you all to this next session on relations and functions. Dear students, in the previous session, we have seen all the one mark questions solved in the chapter of relations and functions. In this session, we are going to see the two mark questions solved from the year March 2014 to September 2020, particularly with respect to the reduced syllabus. Okay, because note this point, my dear students, you have very few questions which are eligible to be asked for 2 mark questions, particularly this year. The reason is very simple. Most of the 2 mark questions or even 3 mark questions which was asked in the previous years were from the topic of composite functions and invertible functions, because for this year both the topics, that is composition of functions and invertible functions, are deleted. So you have very few questions which are remaining, which can be asked for 2 marks and also for 3 marks. So you can definitely guess this year which question would be asked from this chapter, relation and functions, for 2 marks and 3 marks. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the basics, all the definitions of one of the topics related to relations and functions, because we have already dealt that in detail in the previous session. Okay, so we've also seen and solved the 1 mark questions from this chapter, and in this session let us go on to solve the 2 mark questions. Okay, are you ready for it? Yeah. So the first question we have is, verify whether the operation star defined on Q, means set of rational numbers, remember, by A star B is equal to AB by 2 is associative or not. You have to check the property of associative. Okay, now it's always better for you to write the definition, how it is defined. Your A star B is defined as AB by 2. Okay, let me take this as equation 1. Okay, now just for your reference, you don't ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Don't do this in the examination. If they ask you the commutative property also, you can check it. Okay, if you take A star B will be equal to AB by 2. Okay, now AB by 2, because both the numbers are belonging to Q, AB by 2 can also be written as BA by 2, and this is nothing but, actually according to definition, it is B star A. Okay, therefore for all A comma B belongs to Q, we have A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore star is commutative. In case they ask you the commutative property, you can prove this, or else this question is only about associative property. This is just for your reference. Okay, now remember, this question is the most eligible question which can be asked from this chapter for 2 marks. Okay, it would be in question number 11. Remember, it is already asked in March 2014, March 2018, September 2020, and this is the question in the first model question paper in reduced syllabus also. So please bear attention for this. So I have A star B is equal to AB by 2. Therefore, I have to first consider A star B star C. Okay, so A star B star C is nothing but, now look at how A star B is defined. A star B ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಯೋರ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಬೈ 2, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಯೋರ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಬೈ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು A into B. I'll tell you why I am writing this. So AB by 2 is nothing but half times first element into second element. Are you following? The binary operation is defined as half into first element into second element. So A star B is ready. Okay, star. Okay, there is another element. Are you following? Please don't get confused. This is nothing but, now this is like first element and this is second element. So how do you define the binary operation star from 2 elements? This is nothing but half into first element. So first element is half AB into second element. So it is C. Are you following? So this is nothing but half into half would be 1 by 4. Okay, A into B into C would be ABC. Is it clear? Very simple. Similarly, again, let me consider A star of B star C. We know the property of associative. If you have to prove the property of associative, it is A star B of star C should be same as A star of B star C. Now let's continue. So this star is alone. Always solve whatever is inside the bracket first. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ. ನೌ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ, ದೆನ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಎಸ್ Raju, right. So B star C would be half BC. Yeah. Are you following, Aishwarya? Right. So this is nothing but now this is like first element and this is like second element. Okay. So Chitra, are you here? Fine. So A star B, this is like B. So A star B is nothing but half into first element. First element is A, second element is half BC. Don't get confused. Okay, so this is nothing but you have half into half, that is nothing but 1 by 4. You have A into B into C, you have A into B into C. Therefore, you have A star of B star C is same as is equal to A star of B star C. You can write therefore star is associative. Star is associative. So this itself is the solution for this question. Are you following? So 2 marks ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಮಿಟೇಟಿವ್, ಯು ಚೆಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. Otherwise, directly go for associative. Okay. Now this is the, now there is a similar question, dear students, in your textbook in the exercise. I will solve that also here. There A star B is defined as AB by 4. Okay, it is AB by 4. Now I'm going to write AB by 4 as 1 by 4 AB. Are you following? So 1 by 4 AB anta barkondo equation 1 anta barkontini. Now I can check associative property for this. Iದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಇದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ exactly same. Okay, let us check for associative. So let us try A star B star C. So this is nothing but what is star between two elements? It is 1 by 4 times 1 by 4 times product of two elements, that is AB. Okay, bracket term is cleared. Star C. Now this is like one element, this is like second element. So star between two element is 1 by 4 into first element. First element is 1 by 4 AB into second element is C. So this is nothing but 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 16. A into B into C is nothing but ABC. Okay, is it fine? Similarly, now let us check A star of B star C. So this is nothing but, so A is alone, keep it outside as it is. Now star between B and C is nothing but, according to definition, it is 1 by 4 BC. Yes, Harish, are you following? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟು, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋ ಥರ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 by 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ. ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 by 4 BC. Very simple this is. So this is nothing but again 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, it would be 1 by 16. Okay, so A into B into C would be nothing but ABC. Okay, therefore you can see here A star B star C is same as A star of B star C. You can say therefore star is associative. So idu kotrunu ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. You can solve the same question in the same pattern. Okay, remember you just have to solve this much for 2 marks. You can see it is a very, very easy question, isn't it? So this is all about your first question, and we will move on to the second question. Okay, right. The second question is actually again the similar. You have to you can plan this year. Most of the 99% your 2 mark question from this for this year would be from binary operations, because 3 mark question would be on relations and 5 mark question would be on functions. I repeat, 1 mark question can be taken from any topic, 2 mark question would be from binary operations, 3-mark question from relations and 5-mark question from functions. 99% it would be fixed unless they change the pattern. But there is no changes for 5 marks. 5 marks ಮಾತ್ರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಬೈಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. So going on to the second question, define binary operation on a set. Okay, remember, he is asking you the definition also. Please be careful, dear students. ಕೆಲವು ಸರಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, you just write the operation and lose 1 mark. This is just to confuse those who want to get 100. Okay, so he is asking you the definition also. Define binary operation on a set. Verify whether the operation star defined on Q, set of rational numbers by A star B is equal to AB plus 1 for all A comma B belongs to Q is binary or not. First binary operation define ಮಾಡಿ A star B ಈ ಥರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನು ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. So we have already explained this definition in the previous class. A binary operation star on a set A is a function star from A cross A to A. That is star of A star B, A comma B is equal to A star B. So this will give you 1 mark. Now coming to whether it is binary operation or not, you can check for all A comma B belongs to Q. Okay, you have to take 2 elements. You can check A star B is nothing but actually AB plus 1. If you take any 2 elements from the rational numbers, product of the numbers plus 1 will still belong to Q. Artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, this is a very important line here. A star B is equal to AB plus 1 will still belong to Q. Therefore, you can write star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation because this operation will be in Q itself. Is it clear? Very simple question which was just asked once in the year July 2018 for 2 marks. Okay, are you following this? ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರು ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಅ ಹಿಂಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದು ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್. ಆನ್ Z plus, if A star B is equal to A minus B, remember this is not a binary operation. Here star is not a BO ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ BO ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಸ್ if you take 2, 2 and 3 are in Z plus, but 2, 3 is minus 1, does not belong to Z plus. So this binary operation, this star is not a binary operation. But here all the others, A star B is equal to AB, here you can say star is a binary operation. Star is a binary operation. And same thing, same on the same scale, you can write A star on the R on real numbers. If A star B is equal to AB square, then star will be a binary operation. Similarly, A star B is equal to A minus B is not binary operation, but modulus of A minus B will be a binary operation. And A star B is equal to A will be a binary operation. On Q, the set of rational numbers, we have already solved this. A star B is equal to AB by 2 will be a binary operation. A star B is equal to AB by 4 will be a binary operation on Q. Set is very important. A star B is equal to 2 power AB. If you take any 2 positive integers, okay, product of them to the power of 2 will again be a positive integer. Okay, so this will be a binary operation. Similarly, A power B, if you take any 2 positive integers, okay, 1 power 2 or 2 power 1, you can take all these numbers, it will be a binary operation. Finally, this one, R is equal to R minus 1 means you cannot take the element minus 1. Apart from minus 1, you can take any element. So in this case, even this will be a binary operation. Please be careful. This is the only set on Z plus A star B is equal to A minus B will not be a binary operation. ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್, ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಹಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. We shall move on to the next question. Okay, dear students, look at the second question. On R, star is defined by A star B is equal to AB by 2. So, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? A star B is equal to A plus B, A plus B divided by 2. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಗೂ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆ. The previous one was A plus B divided by 2. A into B divided by 2. This is A plus B divided by 2. I want to check whether this is associative. Okay, this operation is definitely commutative. First of all, commutative check ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can check it, because let me take it as equation 1. Okay, therefore A star B is actually nothing but A plus B by 2, isn't it? That is how it is defined. Now A plus B can be replaced by B plus A, because addition is commutative, and this will be actually nothing but B star A. Again, I am telling you, you have to do this only if he asks you to prove commutative. So therefore, you can say star is commutative. Okay, because you can say, because A star B is equal to B star A. That is the reason. Okay, now coming on to the associative part. Please be very careful. I actually have, as I told you, I will write A star B as half of A plus B. Please be very careful. Okay, ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ to prove associative. Therefore, A star B star C, okay, is nothing but, let me first solve the inside one. A star B is nothing but actually half of A plus B. So this element, I will write it star C. Okay, so the product star between two elements is nothing but half into first element. First element is, it is half A plus B. Remember, okay, first element plus second element. Are you following? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ A star of B star C. If you want, you can write it as, so this is nothing but half into, it is A plus B divided by 2 plus C, actually this is. Okay, now similarly let us check your the other one, which is A star of B star C. So here A is the first single element, I'll write it as it is. So what is B star C? B star C is nothing but half of B plus C. Okay, now this is like first element and second element. So star between first element and second element is half of first element. First element is A plus second element. Second element is half of B plus C. So what happens ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. So this is nothing but half of, it is A plus, actually I have B plus C divided by 2. ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಏನೋ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು, I have half which is common, no problem, but here it is A by 2, B by 2 plus C, but here I have A plus B by 2 plus C by 2. So please be careful. Therefore A star B star C, okay, is it equal? It is actually not equal. So A star B star C is not equal to A star of B star C. Therefore, you can write star is not associative. Okay, you have to please be very careful, dear students. This question is asked in the second model question paper. Andre idu exam ge keluvanta ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ. Okay, remember they've just asked you associative part. So if they ask you associative part, just do this. Okay, this operation star is not a binary it's not a associative property. A property, associative property, will not be satisfied for this binary operation. Okay, is it clear? ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ರೈಟ್, shall we move to the next question? So the next question I have is, show that the function f from n to n given by f of x is equal to 2x is 1 but not on 2. ಇದು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಕೇಳುವಂಥ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೂ ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್. So this question was asked in the year March 2019. So he has defined f of x is equal to 2x. I have to prove this is 1. So how do you prove it is 1? I hope you remember the condition. Okay, for all two elements x1 comma x2 belongs to n, which n? To prove 1 you take from domain. Okay, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 consider martini. What is f of x1? It would be 2x1. This is nothing but 2x2. If you divide by 2, therefore x1 is equal to x2. Okay, you can just a 2 mark question ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you just say hence 1 because it is just a 1 mark question, hence it is 1. Okay, now checking for on 2. Remember dear questions, dear students, this question is from n to n. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ r to r ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆನ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ n to n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ 2 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ codomain of f. What is codomain of f? It is completely natural numbers. Now what is range of f? Codomain of f is natural numbers. Range of f is nothing but, keep on putting the values for, if you put x is equal to 1, range would be 2. If you put x is equal to 2, range would be 4. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. It is just the multiples of 2 which is not equal to n. ಇದು n ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, therefore you can say f is not onto function. Okay, so these two conditions will give you 2 marks. Okay, remember the question was asked in the year March 2019. So if they ask you, you can easily solve it. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Okay, so the next question I have is, if f from r to r defined by f of x is equal to 1 plus x square, then show that f is neither 1 nor on 2. 1 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, on 2 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. It's a very simple question. I have already proved this question in the other session, in the 5 mark question. But for this question, we'll solve it in a different way. F is from r to r defined by f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. Okay, now just let me say 1 comma minus 1 belongs to r. I am taking two elements in such a way that I am taking 1 and minus 1. Okay, therefore f of 1 is nothing but 1 plus 1 square. That is nothing but 1 plus 1. It is nothing but 2. Okay, therefore what is f of minus 1? F of minus 1 is nothing but 1 plus minus 1 square. X ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಹಾಕಿ. This is nothing but 1 plus minus 1 square becomes plus 1 again. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಎರಡೂ 2ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1, ಬಟ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ x1 is equal to ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ x2 ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಬಟ್ x1 is not equal to x2. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 1. In this case, f is not 1. Okay, so going on to case. Okay, going on to ಕೂಡ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So how do you write? First we shall write the codomain of f. So what is the codomain of f? It is completely real numbers. Now, but the range of f. So we have already solved it. ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು it would be 1 plus. Okay, so the range would be from 1 to infinity. ಅರ್ಥವಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? The range would be from 1 to infinity. This is not equal to set of real numbers. So therefore codomain is not equal to range. Okay, therefore f is not onto. F is not onto because ಯಾಕೆ? Because codomain of f is not equal to range of f. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಈ ಇಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲ್ 5 mark questions. So I guess this question will never be asked for 2 marks, particularly for May 2021 exam. Okay, whatever it is, but this was asked in March 2017 for 2 marks. So remember that. Fine. And we are moving on to the next question. So we have only one question which are asked in the previous year's question papers, particularly which are apart from reduced syllabus. Okay, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನು 2 mark ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ 3 mark ಕೇಳಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎನ್ ಟು ಎನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1 is equal to ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 2 that is equal to 1 and f of x is equal to x minus 1 for every x greater than 2 is on 2 but not 1 1. ಇದು ಆನ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ n to n. Okay, and remember f of 1 is same as 1 and f of 2 is also 1. Okay, and also he has given f of x is equal to x minus 1. This is for every x greater than 2. 1 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 1ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಂತೆ, 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ x minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಚೆಕ್ 1 1. He has also already told you it is not 1 1. Why it is not on 1? Clearly f of 1 is equal to f of 2. ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ f of 1 is equal to f of 2, which is nothing but 1, but 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore f is not 1 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. Why it is not 1 1? If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, I should get x1 equal to x2, but it is not happening. Means that it's very simple. 1 and 2 are going to the same element 1. So definitely this is not 1 1. 1 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ನಾಟ್ 1 1. ಎಸ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟು. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, okay, see how we prove on to. Remember, he has given f of x is equal to actually x minus 1 for all x greater than 2. Okay, so let me write it as y is equal to x minus 1. Therefore y plus 1 is equal to x. Okay, therefore for all y belongs to y, I hope you remember the definition of onto. For all y belongs to y, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಆನ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ y ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ n ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ? ಕೋಡೊಮೇನಿಂದ. ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ y ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು y, ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ x. ಹೌ ಇಸ್ ದ x? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ x ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು y ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು n. ವಿಚ್ n? ದ ಡೊಮೇನ್ n. Okay, such that f of x is equal to f of x means what? Y plus 1. So this is nothing but, what is f of, how it is f of x defined? For f of x is defined as x minus 1. Andre y plus 1 minus 1. This is nothing but y plus 1 minus 1. Plus when minus 1 gets cancels, I'll get y. Therefore I get f of x is equal to y. Hence f is on 2. Hence f is onto function. You can write it easily. Only thing is you should know the definitions properly. Okay, right students? So this is all about the previous year's questions of 2 mark from the chapter relations and functions, particularly with respect to the reduced syllabus. Dear students, before I wind up this session, let us solve few more questions on binary operations, on different operations, binary operation star, to check whether they are associative and commutative. Okay, now let us take this operation on z plus. Define a star b is equal to a minus b. Okay, now you can check here, a star b is nothing but a minus b, but B star A is equal to B minus A. We know that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Therefore, you can write A star B is not equal to B star A. Therefore, star is not commutative. Are you following? This operation star is not commutative. Okay, but let me check for associative. Okay, A star B of star C. This is nothing but what is A star B? This is first element minus second element star C. So it is just like this is first element and second element. So first element minus second element. Okay, so this is nothing but A minus B minus C. Similarly, let me check A star of B star C. So according to definition, A is a separate element. Let me keep it outside. Star of B star C is nothing but B minus C. Okay, so this is nothing but, so star between two elements is first element minus second element. Second element is B minus C. Please use the bracket, dear students. If you don't use the bracket, you'll confuse. Now this is nothing but A minus of B. Now minus into minus becomes plus C. Okay, you can see here these both are not same. Therefore, A star B star C is not equal to A star of B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. Are you following? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Here this is not an associative operation. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Next binary operation is on set of rational numbers Q, A star B is equal to A square plus B square. Now let us check this. A star B is nothing but A square plus B square. A square plus B square can also be written as B square plus A square. That is nothing but B star A. I started with A star B. I got B star A. Therefore, A star B is equal to B star A. Hence, star is commutative. Okay? You write down in detail. Now, going on to associative property, let me check A star B star C. So this, how do you define star between two elements? First, square of first element plus square of second element. Okay, star C. So now please be very careful. The star between this element is first element square plus second element square. Okay, please be very careful. Similarly, A star of B star C is nothing but, so first element is alone, keep it outside. B star C would be nothing but B square plus C square. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Because A star B is A square plus B square, B star C will be B square plus C square. Now this is like A and B. So what is star between them? First element plus second element. So second element is B square plus C square whole square. Now, yes Prashant, can you tell me, are they both same? Samayidya, they are not same, because here it is A square plus B square whole square, but here I have B square plus C square whole square. Therefore, I can write A star B star C is not equal to A star of B star C. Therefore, star is not associative. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? So this is the final answer for this question. Dear students, on the same scale, ಇದೇ ಥರ I've given you few more binary operations defined on different sets. Okay, on Q, Z plus Z and different Zs, different binary operations. I've given you the solution also, so you can try it whether my solutions are correct or not. Okay, you can check it. You can check it for different binary operations. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಎರಡೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸೇ ನೈದರ್ ಕಾಮಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ನಾರ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟಿವ್ನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Okay students, so we have come to the end of this session. In this session, we have solved almost all the wanted questions which can be asked for 2 marks from the chapter of relations and functions. In the next session, we will be dealing with the 3 marker questions from this chapter, relations and functions. So get ready for that. So before coming to that session, kindly go through the definition of reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. Okay, kindly go through the three definitions: a deflective relation, reflexive relation, transitive relation, and a symmetric relation, and also equivalence relation. Okay, because most of your 3 mark questions will belong to that category. Okay, right? I hope you have enjoyed this session and also learned how to solve the 2 mark questions from this chapter. We'll meet you again in the next session. Until then, take care and God bless you. Bye.